How to redeem gift code on Play Store. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to redeem gift code on Play Store in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Play Store. Now this is the home page, as you can see. All what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on your profile picture. Click on it like this. Now click on payments and subscriptions option. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Here you will find 4 options, and the fourth one is redeem gift code. Now click on it, and right here you can enter your code and click redeem here down below. Very easy and fast, as you can see. Please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.